high wind watch is in effect.
Let's go tornado! Let's go tornado!
Today, windy with showers and thunderstorms. High 61. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. Tonight, rain and wind. Low 54.
Tornado warning! Tornado warning!
Saturday, windy with rain. High 60.
Oh my god!
A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
Oh no, no, no,
Here's
no.
our 7-day outlook.
There was a list of the tornado warnings. That's right.
What is success? Is it a
But what? Oh no! Oh no!
Special weather statement issued at 6:37 a.m. The National Weather Service informed
Pacific County!
warning for northwestern Pacific County and southwestern Washington until 7 a.m. At 6:36 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Bay Center, Oregon, 19 miles southeast of Westport, and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Raymond, South Bend, Bay Center, and Tuckland. This includes the following highways in Washington: U. South. Highway 101 between mile markers 38 and 66. State Route 6 between mile markers 1 and 2. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
So tornado warning is in there. Oh my gosh, this is so scary. Tornado warning, severe weather statement. Okay, that's it. Alright. Other one.
chocolate chips? Makes baking a pipe.
Taking charge. Say with it. What is this? What is this? What is this? Who is this?
John Cena. Like him?
Yeah.
It's John Cena!
Yes, it's a John Cena prank.
Here's the thing, shit Frank.
Yeah, prank call.
Oh, the freak call Frank.
Yes. Oh no.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Davies County, Greene County, northern Martin County until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Linton, or 30 miles southeast of Terre Haute, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. In addition, at Midland, rotating wall cloud was reported by train spotters at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time with this storm. This storm has a history of producing ping-pong-sized hail as well. Locations impacted include Bloomfield, Woodington, Sweat City, Lyons, Newberry, Crane, Fun City, Owensburg. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Okay, that's it.